Good morning everyone. I am Patan Shines. Today's topic about the air pollutions. The environmental changes are the caused by the natural or the artificial contents of the harmful pollutants and can causes the instability, disturbance or the adverse events on the ecosystem. The earth and it is the environmental poses more the serious threat to the increasing the pollutants of the air, waters and the soil. Environmental managements are the careless human activities such it is the managing the careless human activities. Therefore the any activity that violates that the original natures of the environments and leads to the degradations, it is called as the pollutions. We needs to the understand the origins of this the pollutants and the find way to the control the pollutants. This can be also the done by the raising awareness of the effect of the pollutions. The air pollution, it is the physical, chemical or the biological changes in the air. A certain percentage of the gases is present in the atmosphere. Increasing or the decreasing atmosphere composition of this gas to determine the severance. The imbalance of the gas compositions causes the increase the global temperature, which is called as the global warming. It's called as the global warming. Some some the earth and it is the environment are the facing and the serious threat by the increasing the populations of the air. Vital life support system environment, it is caused by the improper managements of the resources or the careless human activities. Hence any activities that highlights the original characters of the natures and leads to the degradations, it is called as pollutants. The pollutants are the find way to the control the population pollutions. This can also done by the making the peoples aware the efforts of the populants. The air with the 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygens is 1% of the other gases support life of the earth. Various process are the take place in the sustain the regulate the percentage of the gases. The although the air it is the made up of the air it is made up of the mostly oxygens and the nitrogens. Mankind through the populations has the increased the levels of the many gases and some cases of the release completely new gases to the atmosphere. The air pollutions can be results in the poor air quality both in the cities and in the countrysides. Some air pollutants make the people as causing the breathing problems and the increasing the livelihood of cancers. Some air pollutions are the harmful to the plants, animals and the ecosystem in which they are live. Status movements and the buildings are being by the air pollutions in the area. Also damage the crops of the forest, makes lacks of the streams and the fish or the plants in the animals. The air pollutions are to create the in the large amount the gas and the tiny particles they are released into the air in the ecosystem balance also distributed. Each air millions of the tons of the gas and the particles matter the intimated into the air. The primary air pollutions are the pollutants. They are can directly release into the air. They are called as the SPM. For example, it is suspected particles matters. For example, smoke, dust, ash, sulfur oxide, nitrogen, oxygens, and the radioactive components, etc. The secondary pollutants are the pollutants which are formed due to the chemicals interactions between the atmosphere compositions and the primary pollutants, for example smoke, ozone, etc. The major gases air pollutants increase the carbon dioxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxides, and the nitrogen dioxide. Some effects of the air pollutants on the human health, such as the breathing pollutants, airports adds the high risk to the asthma. Even the expose of the ground ozone of the 6 to the 7 hours, people suffer from the respiratory inflammations. Thank you.